What's the meaning of bulletproof? Bulletproof. Bulletproof.
Bulletproof. Bulletproof. The term bulletproof is typically used to describe something that is extremely strong, impervious to damage or resistant to failure. The term originated from the use of bullet-resistant materials in vests and other protective gear. In more general usage, it can refer to any product or system that is tough and unbreakable, or to an individual who is exceptionally resilient and able to withstand adversity. A bulletproof solution or strategy is one that is designed to withstand even the most severe challenges and setbacks, while continuing to deliver optimal performance or outcomes. Overall, the concept of bulletproof suggests an unwavering commitment to durability, safety, and reliability.